Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the character class in Dark and Darker. And to do this, you will need to either press on escape and go for character selection, or in the bottom right you can find class change. From here you will need to create a new character. Now pick a different class, there's 6 of them, and you can also change your gender. So let's go with wizard, and you can change the name. Click on confirm, and here's our new class, so make sure to select the one that you wanted to change and click on enter lobby. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.